It's time for another edition of Ask the Vet. We are at the Tates Creek Animal Hospital here in Lexington with CEO Dr. Kevin Smith. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for coming back.
We have some questions this month for you, and we're going to start off with a question about office visits.
Yes.
This is from Katie in Lexington, who asks, how often should I schedule routine checkups and wellness exams for my pet, and what typically occurs during these appointments?
A lot of it depends on the age of the pet. Puppies are going to come in more often to get up on their vaccines, just like children. And then you reach a point of 1 to 6 where a lot of them will just see them once a year, unless they get sick, they get injured or hurt. So as they age, we want to see them more often. We recommend every 6 months. We like to get them in, we like to weigh them. Weight is a huge indicator
with
of
the
disease.
Scale right behind
Absolutely. We want to make sure they're maintaining weight and they're good body weight. Listen to the heart and lungs, do a full physical exam. We will do testing as needed, but the more we can get our hands on them, especially as they age, the more diseases we can pick up on and help extend the quantity and quality of their life.
Margarita in Richmond has our next question, and she asks, how important is getting my pet's teeth cleaned? And what's involved in a dental cleaning or oral health assessment?
I think it's critically important. 2 things I always harp on is weight. You want a dog a good, healthy body weight. And 2 is periodontal disease. It is the biggest disease in small animal veterinary medicine. So imagine, we get our teeth, hopefully, brushed every day. We have, routine dental cleanings, but dogs need it the same. The best way to look is just lift the lip. We like to look at the outer surface of the teeth. Is there infection? Is there tartar? Is there inflammation? And a lot of times that can be reversed and even cured with routine cleanings.
Are there any warning signs of problems that pet owners might notice before they even come in?
Yes, a lot of times you'll see foul breath. A dog's breath should not stink. It should not smell like disease or infection.
Because we hear the term puppy breath.
Right, there is a puppy breath, but as they age, you can actually smell infection. Also, some dogs, as they eat, they'll start dropping food, or you'll notice he doesn't want to play with his bones, he doesn't want to play with his balls. Certain oral things that, hey, he used to do this, he's not doing it anymore, there may be a problem.
Daniel from Danville asks, is it worth it, and can you recommend any pet insurance options or financial assistance programs to help cover the costs of veterinary care?
Yes, the biggest thing I recommend with pet insurance is research. Just like our insurance, everything's in the fine print. So there's not one standard insurance for all types of dogs. There's different breeds, there's different ages, there's different lifestyles. So you really have to dig into, this is, I have a lab that's 2 years old that has no health problems. That would be a whole lot different than a dog that's 8 years old and is a bulldog with chronic issues. So I would do a whole lot of research. It's basically like car insurance. Hopefully you won't need it, but if you do need it, thankfully it's there. So you have to weigh the pros and the cons of paying a monthly, fee for your insurance versus what you pay out of pocket. So research, that I can't overemphasize that enough.
Tates Creek Animal Hospital, you're providing the same excellent care here that you offer at Richmond Road Veterinary Clinic.
Yes, we are sister clinics. We work very closely together. We're both general practices that emphasize on medicine and surgery. We all kind of fall under the banner of the Kentucky Veterinary Practice Group. So we are building these clinics up together. We are working together. If we can't get you in at Richmond Road, we'll get you in over here and vice versa.
It's here at the Tates Creek Shopping Center. So where can people get more information about that and Richmond Road Veterinary Clinic?
The best are our websites, TatesCreekAnimalHospital.com, RichmondRoadVeterinaryClinic.com. Stop in and meet us. We'll give you a tour. We'd love to get people in here to see what we're doing.